Welcome to an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at the Saudi-scaled model project, a masterpiece of engineering and craftsmanship. Every detail has been meticulously designed to bring these models to life from concept to completion. This ambitious project includes the creation of highly detailed scaled models of Mecca Haram, Masjid Al Nabwa, a fully functional train and a train station. Each model showcases the beauty of Saudi Arabia's iconic architecture and transportation system in miniature form. But this is no ordinary project. It features a 6-meter-long custom train, equipped with LED lighting, magnetic detachable features, and intricate interior details. Let's take you through the fascinating process of how we made it all happen. Our journey began with Stage 1, sample development. The first step was crafting samples of Mecca Haram, Masjid Al Nabwa, and the LED train mechanism. These early prototypes helped refine our designs and ensure precision. In Stage 2, we focused on creating miniature versions of the Kaaba and Masjid Al Nabwa. Each element was meticulously scaled down while retaining the architectural grandeur of the originals. The dome was cast in resin, and an acrylic cover with precise markings was added for authenticity. FDM 3D printing was used for the wall structures, followed by detailed painting and finishing. And finally, Masjid Al Nabwa took shape. In Stage 3, we focused on the development of large-scale model of Mecca, Medina, and batch production of the train. The train's body underwent a rigorous process. SLA 3D printing for precise detailing, primer and sanding for a flawless finish, painting of small components to enhance realism, and final paint application to bring the model to life. Next came the electrical assembly, where we installed LED lighting and electronics, ensuring the train's smooth operation. Once decals were applied, our workspace was filled with intricately detailed train parts ready for final assembly. And finally, the train was complete. Now, let's shift our focus to the Mecca model. FDM 3D printing was used for accuracy. PLA material ensured structural integrity. Laser cutting of acrylic for precise flat pieces, testing and pre-assembly before painting. Primer finish applied for a smooth base, and granite texture painting for realistic surfaces. Every tiny detail was brought to life with expert craftsmanship. The final assembly was a moment of triumph. After months of dedication and innovation, the Saudi-scaled model project was complete. From the magnificent Mecca Haram to the intricate Masjid Al Nabwa, from the sleek train to the functional train station, every piece stands as a testament to precision engineering and artistry. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible behind-the-scenes projects. See you in the next one.